Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and let's see. So, also stay updated by following our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, go to the Telegram channel, follow us. Now, if you are following this channel consistently, we predicted this move. I told you guys on Thursday, the market is going to give us a bullish move. You can see it on GBPUSD, clearly can see it. Market eventually gave us that bullish move. We had, it opened and closed bullish for the day. Friday also, I told you guys that we will be expecting a bullish move on Friday. Guess what? Market has done the same thing. It's opened and closed bullish. So this week that I'm expecting for, we will also be expecting a bullish move. I mean, if you take a look at it, 2 weeks ago, on the weekly time frame, we actually opened and closed bullish, right? Last week, this week that just finished, which is last week, we also had we open and close bullish. So this week that you are trying to forecast for, we will also sit open and close bullish. So my forecast would be a level of 1.31. Currently, GBP is trading at 1.29. So we should see it head to a level of 1.31. But now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So let's start from here. This is the higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. Higher highs here, and here comes the higher lows. Higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. What do you see here? Higher highs. So once this higher highs plays out finish, then expect an higher lows. After that higher lows, another higher high. So basically, we are still on an uptrend. What can you see here? This is clearly a trendy market move. So reason why we will continue that movement to the upside for this week. So bullish move is what we'll be speculating for this week on GBPUSD. Stay updated by following our Telegram channel. You will find the link in the comment section.